My response to this bill is I sympathize and understand what the government is seeking to do, but the way that the bill is approaching this is, to my mind, misconceived. It affords the Prime Minister, the executive, the capacity to determine what is criminal, what amounts to a criminal offence, without the Parliament having any role in that whatsoever. And maybe in practical terms as well, individuals could be prosecuted for that if they don't comply with the order, and they could be incarcerated for up to a year or fined up to $1 million. I would urge the Minister to suspend the debate and consider the points I've made and see if some way can be found to improve the governance arrangements around this enforcement mechanism and make those arrangements consistent with our democratic traditions. The order is what is included in the order, what is made a criminal offence, what conduct is going to be restricted or prohibited. And this Parliament has no say in that. It's gazetted, yes, and those who read the Gazette, I don't think there are many of us in here who do, will be able to find it eventually and so on. But that's not really the point. The point really is it correct for the government, the executive arm of the government, to be able to determine what conduct is criminalized without that having the approval of Parliament?
But that is the nature of the Act of 2015.
Well, with all due respect, it is not, because under the Act has passed, and this is important, Minister, because, to be honest, I was going to stand on a point of order, but I didn't, because I'm not trying to be contentious. But you said that the 2015 Act had the fine and the imprisonment provision, and that is true. But the point is that the order under 26, Section 26, that the PM makes, breach of it was not a criminal offence in the original Act. It is now being made a criminal offence. Now, the scope of what that order can say, it could say you can't wear a mask with a Man United emblem on it, and that is a criminal offence. And I'm sure you wouldn't be pleased with that as a Man United supporter.
No, and
that's a frivolous example, but the point I'm really getting to is that it is at large what the orders can contain. And I'm not just talking about for now, this is law going forward.
No.
As a lawmaker, I'm thinking about the possibilities that may come down the line. Whoever holds your office, could be me, whoever holds your office. And it allows a Prime Minister to determine that X or Y or Z conduct is a criminal offence. Now that to me is bad law. That's all I'm saying.